Hi everybody, welcome to Eat It Anyway. Like last week, I dove into the MyFitnessPal recipe discovery section and I found a recipe that I think looks fantastic. It is called a Southwestern chicken salad. We got chicken, we got beans, we got corn, we got some salsa in there, and we're gonna have some tortilla chips with it. So grab your apron. I've got mine right here, and let's get started. Before we go through our lineup, let's kick this oven onto 400 degrees. To kick us off, we have 2 teaspoons of olive oil, 3/4 teaspoon of salt divided, 3/4 teaspoon of pepper divided, 1.5 pounds of skinless chicken breasts. It's also boneless. Then we have 1/4 cup or 60 grams of non-fat Greek yogurt, 2 tablespoons of mayo. We're using Dukes, go Dukes. 65 grams or 1/4 cup of roasted salsa, 3 tablespoons of lime juice, 2 teaspoons of chili powder, 1 whole can of black beans, and then 1 cup of whole kernel corn. Now that the oven is preheating, we are going to find a baking dish, something similar to this, and we're gonna line it with parchment paper. Make it fit. Then we're going to dry off our chicken breasts. I believe the best way to dry off a chicken breast is with a paper towel. We are going to put a little bit of olive oil on our parchment paper so that the chicken does not stick. We're going to do the same thing with the chicken breasts themselves. Just put a little bit of olive oil on them. The next thing I did is I mixed up 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of pepper in a bowl. And I'm just going to take this and rub it all over our chicken. Make sure you get the underside too. Here's what the chicken looks like all seasoned. Before the chicken's ready for the oven, I'm gonna cover it with some tin foil. Just like that. The oven's now at 400 degrees. I'm gonna go ahead and toss this in there for about 30 to 40 minutes. While the chicken's cooking, I'm gonna go ahead and get started on our dressing. So I added 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper into this bowl. I'm gonna go ahead and add our yogurt, our mayonnaise, our salsa, our lime juice, and our chili powder. And then I'm gonna mix this all together. Here's how our dressing turned out. So 30 minutes is up. Let's see how it turned out. Here's the big reveal. All right. So we're gonna let this cool and we are going to chop it up into cubes. Our meat is chopped. I rinsed the black beans and our corn is ready to go. It says just to drizzle the dressing over the salad, but it's all accounted for, so I'm just gonna mix it all together. Here's how it looks mixed. All right, so it's all done. I divvied it up and here's what it looks like. Here's how it's looking. All right, so here's the final product. I put it on a bed of spinach and a serving of chips. Let's give it a try. Pretty good. What do you think, Josh? Good. Not too bad. All right, stick around for the nutritional facts and don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching.